There's little Barrett. About to head to Aunt Allie's wedding. You see it, Bubba's? Ah. Say hi. Love you. Is that good milk? Yeah? Oh. Say hi, Barrett. You ready to go to Aunt Allie's wedding? You look cute with your little boots on, your jeans, and your pearl snap shirt. It's, what is it? September 26th or 7th, 2025. So Barrett is almost 2 years old. Oh, there's Mama. Hi.
I didn't know I had to bring all my get up. I would've.
Hi, Bubba. Yeah.
Baby.
This fan too? Oh, you got a handful. Now you can fan. Yeah.
Oh, is she supposed to sit in the fry? Alright, we're gonna do the family photo.
And wedding
Carrie, come back and get her because he was waiting to take her, and I was like, y'all gonna take her.
Alright, family, follow the photographer.
I'll tell him.
Wedding party and family.
Y'all hot? I'm not here to party, but I'm kind of family.
They're gonna go and load that truck, come back and get the rest of them.
If it starts, this time probably not.
Oh, Michael's GoPro, and she got a smile on her. She wants us up, and she said she needs a shot.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm okay with that. Come on, baby.
Hey, he's fixing to take off, y'all. You got to wear your new clothes. A new haircut. A new haircut. You getting your picture taken?
Over there.
Oh, is it?
Hey, Michael.
Works for me.